What's up guys? My name is Carly Walters Bethel, also known as Carly X Hair on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this sleek blowout using a couple amazing products, so stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, I want to make my hair and my ends really easy to work through, so before I start brushing out, I want to apply this Marc Anthony 100% coconut oil and shea butter through my ends. So I'm just using about a quarter size and I'm working it through my ends. Don't get too close to the root, but do get those front pieces around your face. And then you can find your natural part by taking your hand and pushing up on the hair, and you can kind of shake it a little bit and you can see it's kind of falling right there. And that's where I usually part mine. Now, right before I go in and blow dry, I want to apply this Pure Brazilian Anti-Frizz Serum just so that I can control any frizz throughout the day. I'm using about a dime size. Rub it in your hands and then just delicately smooth over. And if you have roots that are pretty frizzy, lightly smooth over and bring through your ends, just so that a little bit of product gets to the root and controls that frizz. Okay, blow dry time. So to begin the blow dry, I usually like to rough dry my hair first and then work through in sections to get the style that you want for the blow dry. Now that it's about 80% dry, I want to achieve a little natural volume. So the way I want to do that is to flip my hair from side to side and blow dry it against the natural way that it falls. So for instance, this side, I'm going to start by flipping it this way and blow drying it straight up. When you flip it back over, you get that volume and it's completely dry. So now that we have blow dried that natural volume in, it's time to go in with the round brush. You want to part your hair straight down the middle of the back and bring it forward. Then you're gonna start by clipping your hair out of the way and working section by section. Take your round brush and you're going to put it straight at the root here and start to smooth it out. If it's not completely dry on the first pass, that's okay. You can turn your blow dryer off, set it down, replace the comb or brush at your root, and start over. What you want to really do when you want to get the sleek blowout is to concentrate your blow dry at the root to really control any of that frizz and lay the hair smoothly. Now let's continue up the hair. Take your next section and clip it away. You want to make sure that the blow dry is always pointing down. If it's pointing up towards the root or towards your head, you're going to blow back hair and you're going to get way more flyaways. So make sure it's pointing out at the direction that you're pulling your hair with the brush. And you can see that it's starting to get nice and smooth. And now continue working up in sections. Now when you get to the top section, what I like to do is clip away the front piece so that you can blow dry a little bit different than you do the rest of your hair. And I'm actually going to combine it with this side, and I'm just going to twist it and clip it. Now we are going to continue on the second side exactly how we did on the first side by sectioning at the bottom and working your way up. Okay, so last section on the top, I want to get as much volume as possible, so I'm going to bring the brush straight up while I'm smoothing with a blow dryer to help get any extra volume. Okay, last but not least, I want to do this front section here. So unclip it and brush it out, and we're going to blow dry it away from the face. So I'm going to place the brush on the top part and then blow dry it away. Okay guys, this is the final look on how to achieve a sleek blowout. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching.